I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need Wi-Fi and an Amazon account signed in first. Once done, make sure Fire OS allows apps from unknown sources. Next, open the Silk browser and download the 4 APK files required: Google Account Manager, Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and the Google Play Store in that order. Start the first install immediately. Don't run them out of order, and accept permissions when prompted. Keep the Downloads app open so you can install each APK sequentially without searching again. Begin installing the files you downloaded, one by one in the exact order. Google Account Manager first, then Google Services Framework, followed by Google Play Services, and finish with Google Play Store. Make sure to tap Install after each APK completes downloading and allow any permission dialogues. Play Services may request background activity, permit that. Once the Play Store is installed, restart the tablet to let services register. After reboot, open the Play Store and sign into your Google account to sync apps and settings. Open the Play Store, sign into your Google account, and update any installed apps. Once signed in, you can install usual apps. If the store crashes or apps fail to download, make sure Google Play Services matches your Fire OS version, download the correct variant, and reinstall it. Also clear cache and app data for the Play Store and Play Services, then reboot the device. If problems persist, repeat installs in order or, as a last resort, back up data and perform a factory reset before redoing the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.